I'm Mallory Varner with GSG, and I'm the Vinyl Decorating Segment Manager. GSG is really excited to announce a new partnership with Stahls, a premier manufacturer in HTV, vinyl, and pre-cut letters and numbers. It's available today at gogsg.com.
Heat transfer vinyl is one of the fastest growing apparel decorating techniques in the world. Have you ever wondered where all the world's HTV is made? Introducing Stahls CAD-Cut Manufacturing Center. The inventor and the world's largest manufacturer of high-quality heat transfer vinyl. And we're still growing. We've expanded our U.S. footprint and tripled our square footage. And we're investing in production automation to keep up with high demand. Stahls is committed to keep bringing you more variety and even higher quality vinyl than ever before. With distribution throughout the U.S., Stahls can get it to you fast and with peace of mind that your order will be right every time. Still buying that craft quality vinyl? Why not go with what the pros are using? With Stahls, you can be assured of the best quality and the best price. Nothing says customization like CAD-Cut. Say it with Stahls.
Visit gogsg.com to get your Stahls products or call 800-366-1776 to get help picking out your products for your next project. Thank you for choosing GSG.